A bus belonging to Acholi province on Saturday evening narrowly escaped a major tragedy after it was involved in a road accident along the Gulu to Kampala highway between Dima and Karuma. According to preliminary information released by the public relations officer of Acholi province, Mr. Alexander Okidi, who is also an honorable councillor, the incident occurred at around 8:30 p.m. on the 28th of September 2025. The bus was transporting pupils and teachers of Favor of God Primary School, Gulu City, who were returning from a study tour in Entebbe. Eyewitnesses said that a few kilometers after passing Dima Trading Center, an elephant suddenly emerged from the nearby bush and crossed the road. The bus driver attempted to slow down and swerve to avoid eating the animal. Although the collision was unavoidable, the impact was significantly reduced because the driver had already been moving at a slow speed. The pupils and teachers had just concluded a very successful educational tour. Unfortunately, an elephant appeared unexpectedly from the bush. The driver did his best to control the vehicle, and as a result, the incident did not turn into a major disaster, Mr. Okidi said in a statement. The driver of the bus sustained minor cuts and is currently nursing injuries from home. However, a few pupils and teachers who suffered injuries during the abrupt braking and impact were immediately rushed to St. Mary's Hospital Echo in Gulu for treatment. Hospital officials confirmed that the injured are in stable condition and receiving medical attention. Residents in the area reported that elephants frequently cross sections of the highway near Karuma, especially during evening hours. Authorities have previously warned motorists to drive carefully in wildlife corridors, particularly where roads pass near protected areas such as Mission Falls National Park. Police from the Traffic and Road Safety Directorate have since arrived at the scene to gather evidence and compile a formal accident report. Preliminary findings suggest that the driver's cautious approach may have saved many lives. Officials are also working with Uganda Wildlife Authority to ensure elephants are kept away from major highways at night. Parents of the children have been asked to remain calm as the situation is under control. We want to reassure the parents and the pupil and the public that all children are safe. The majority are unhurt and those with injuries are receiving the best medical care available, Mr. Okidi added. This incident highlights the ongoing challenges of balancing road safety and wildlife conservation in northern Uganda. With highways cutting across game reserves and elephant migration routes, drivers are urged to maintain low speeds, especially at night, and to follow wildlife warning signs posted along the roads. As of Sunday, no fatalities had been reported. The official report from the traffic police is expected soon, but not at least Sunday morning, after which further details about the cause of the accident and the condition of the passengers will be released.